Hi there, my name is Clay McCombs, and I am a special needs teacher in Bakersfield, California. I serve kids with moderate to severe autism at a junior high level, and I wanted to share with you today my IEP goal data system that I use in my class to collect data for my students' IEP goals. And let's get started. So first off, my product is available for purchase on Teachers Pay Teachers. You can go over and observe the previews, and I would love for you to go over there and check it out. And here is a preview on the data system. Okay, so I utilize this system with my students. I will take my students' IEP goals from my IEP software, and I will place that information into each tab. Each tab is labeled. We have reading. I have like 3 goals here for reading. I have some writing goals. We have math. We have occupational therapy, motor skills. We have speech, social emotional, behavioral goals. And these are very easily added onto. If you were to right click on this, you can duplicate it and you can add as many as you want. Okay, so let's go over to tab number 1, my reading goal, and I'll show you how I use it. So I will take my students' information. For this example, I made up a student named Luke Skyjogger, and I put in his baseline information, his annual goal information for his reading goal here, and then I put in the 3 objectives. And also up here in the goal area, I like to put in the Common Core State Standard information here so I can reference that for a future date if I'm going to be pulling some materials from my curriculum or from online. I can easily look up the Common Core standard there to find those materials. Or if I'm having my aides help me with collecting data, that's a useful bit of information for them as well. And so you could use this IEP data sheet in the Google Sheets format, and you could save this. You could file and save this according to each student. If you wanted to do it electronically, and you could type into these boxes very easily if you wanted to do that, or you could print this out, put it in a binder, and then you could write in your information here if you're collecting data on this benchmark or this objective date here in particular. And there's an area you can type in some notes. So it's really handy. And it's helped me get organized and helped me be able to serve my students better. So I would love for you to check out this resource on my Teachers Pay Teachers channel. So my Teachers Pay Teachers page is called Special Ed Universe by Clayton McCombs. And I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. I'm just getting started, and I'm trying to get more subscribers, and I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. So thank you for your time, and God bless you as you serve our students with special needs. Bye now.